place within the framework of the ERC project Actanthrope, which is dedicated to the exploring the computational foundation of anthropomorphic action. And then this workshop is the fourth of a series. The first one was 3 years ago dedicated to dance notation and robot motion. That means that try to better understand what is the language which is used between choreographers and dancers. And you know that there are some system of notation of dance. Here, this is an example of the Laban notation. And we work for 2 years to better understand how the connection can be done with the programming the robot. The second workshop, and then it gives rise to this book here. The second workshop was more dedicated to mathematics, applied mathematics. And here the problem was to address fundamental research and to see how we can design more and more performant software for robot motion control. The third one was about biomechanics. Then try to better understand what are the human synergy in motor control and how to try to exploit that in designing a new model for humanoid robots. And now I go to the workshop today. It was in June 2016. Professor Alain Berthoz, who will be here tomorrow. Then he has some problem, and then he will arrive only tomorrow morning. Was organizing at the Collège de France a conference about complexity concept. And in this conference, there were a lot of people interested by that concept of complexity. Okay. And then there were economists, there were architects, there were, I don't remember, medicine, roboticists, and linguists. And this is at that stage that we had a discussion with Etienne Damblon, then from the university, Free University of Bruxelles. And then we decide to work together to better understand the terminology the roboticists are used and to better understand how the people see what we are doing as a roboticist. And then the first meeting was in Brussels in last May, and there are here in this room several speakers who were there and that will make the presentation today and tomorrow. And we were thinking how to introduce to you to this special topic of wording robotics. What does it mean? And then for that we ask Céline Peters. She is a PhD student, and around her we organize the research. And we decide to introduce the workshop by Céline. She will explain to you his subject of research. Okay.